Okay, we're live, so why don't we go ahead? Hinesh, you're showing up twice on the view. Have you seen that?
Yeah, I know, it's weird. I think because first time it didn't connect properly. It timed out, and then second time it connected.
Yeah, but the first time your image is still there. It's like
Yeah,
Yeah.
unless that's your twin brother or something, but
yeah, probably is.
aha. Okay, cool. So Hinesh, do you want to go first then?
Yeah, so I'm just reviewing the changes from the branch, and I'm going to try and revert that merge. It'd be interesting to see if I can do that. If not, I'll have to do a fresh branch again, like last time. And
Got it.
about it for me, really.
So that's the Met Plus project you're
Yeah,
referring to, of course.
yeah.
Okay, cool. Sejal, how are you?
I'm good. Hi.
Hi.
So I'm still working on the same story as I had mentioned yesterday. And that's it.
Short and sweet. Okay. Vijaya, how you doing?
Hi, Patrick.
Hey.
Good. I created the pull request yesterday also. I noticed some changes and my merged into my development. Then I resolve all the merge conflict. I update my PR. Okay, I think you merged my PR.
I did.
Okay, no blockers. Yeah.
Do you
That
need
is update.
Do you need another story, or you're okay for now?
I already assigned another story, redirect the job seeker page. I create
Okay.
the branch, I did not work it. Yeah.
Got it. Okay, great. Good. That again is the Met Plus project you're referring to, of course. Just for the folks who haven't been involved with that project. Sage, hi. Would you like to give your update?
Sure. I am writing some unit tests for this thing that I wrote to interact with the rocket.chat API so that I can get ready to deploy it. I finished up all sort of the baseline plumbing things yesterday and created a feature toggle so that we can just only show this thing to a few people at a time. And now I'm trying to get it tested well enough that I don't feel guilty for merging it to master.
Okay, sounds cool. Good. For myself, on the Met Plus project, I've reviewed multiple PRs, especially since last night. I merged some of them. I also had a pair programming session with Sigu. He joined one of these scrums recently, I think, yesterday, as well as today, a couple of them with him. On Met Plus, we're moving ahead with UI stories, UI implementation. We've got some UI redesign that was done by somebody on the team who actually does that for a living, builds websites for customers and does a lot of UI design for people. And I'm hoping to get a lot of that stuff done, or some of that done, by next Monday, which is our next client meeting. Speaking of Sigu, he just showed up. On the SHF project, which is the Swedish Dog Industry Association project, I guess there's nothing new to report. I always talked about we had a meeting Friday, a team meeting Friday, and we're in the process of getting that project to look more like a agile methodology in terms of how it operates rather than kind of an ad hoc thing. So I think that's it. And I have not been able to get back to my story, my current story on WikiEd for press of other things, but I will soon. So that's it for me. And I think, well, it's not the end of the Scrum. Sigu, how are you? Hi. Hi, Sigu. Can you hear me? Can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
We can hear you now.
Oh, okay. So I managed to finish my pull request, my issue on MedPlus. Sent a pull request ready for review. Then I also requested you to approve so that I can pick the next issue. Yeah, and I also requested that if you're able, I can interrupt you once in a while because it seems it wants so much more. It's not as straightforward as the other one, so I want a more challenging issue to work on. So yeah, it's on Slack, and you can reply to it later on.
I did see that. Yeah, please go ahead and take that story. Absolutely, and yeah, so I can definitely help you with that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks for taking it.
All right, thank you. Himesh, how comes you are two?
We like Nesh so much, we have him twice here.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, we have it twice today. It's okay.
You're taking up more than one slot there, Hinesh. It's not fair.
Yeah.
You have quite the ego.
Yeah.
All right, well, does anybody else have anything we want to talk about or make everybody aware of?
Actually, could I connect up with you, Patrick, to go through the navbar comments? Just want to see what to put and where.
Yeah, we can do that right after this then.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, we can continue on. Okay, well, I guess that's it for the Scrum then. I guess we'll continue on. If anybody else needs to connect up, you may want to. Go ahead.
Sage, I'll connect up with you in some time.
Great.
All right, cool. Okay, well, thanks, everybody. We will talk again tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Bye now.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, Hinesh, you want to, let me see my, I'll go see if I can find my comments.
Yeah. That branch, I'm just going to bin it and redo it again. What I've done, I've took a copy of the files as a backup, so I'll just create a new branch and close that pull request.
Yep.
It's just getting hard to revert the merge. I don't think it's worth it. I might as well just create a new branch and just do it.
That's what you did last time. I think that's probably the way to keep your sanity.
Yeah.
Which
Let me find the pull
number is it? Or which PR?
It was 249 waffle number.
Oh, 249. Okay, I got it. Okay. Yeah, let me open up and see what comments I've got in there. Let's see. Okay. Yep. All right. Yeah, I'm ready to go. I've reacclimated myself here.
Okay, I got the pull request as well. Let me share my screen.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Can you see my screen?
I can. Yep.
And okay, so the first one, drop the home link. This home link, should it go to the landing homepage or the user's homepage?
Well, as I stated in another comment later on, you can either drop it or you can keep it, but it should go to the user's homepage. Because the homepage is really specific to a registered user. It's not the landing page. Right now, that goes to the landing page, of course.
Okay, no, that makes sense.
Yeah.
And also, the rest are pretty straightforward anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Is the main one is the footer one here as well. Because terms and conditions apply. What I did, I took it from the UI design, but I guess we don't need it anymore.
Well, I think because we don't have terms, usually that would be a link to go see the terms, and we don't have any. We can add that in later if we ever get them.
Okay.
So you see what happens, it goes to 2 lines there. It looks kind of weird.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Yeah, there's so much text there.
Yeah.
And the other one for employees, post job, search resumes, partner with us, that can all go too.
Okay.
And as I noted, you can keep home there, but it should go to the actual home of the user, not the landing page.
So actually, I could take this whole block out for employees post, because that's all in an if statement, so I could take the whole if out.
Well, actually, you can take out home too, because you have home in the main menu.
Yeah.
So it's, again, it's up to you whether you want to keep it or not.
I think I did the home out. It's actually easier if I do that, yeah.
Or you're thinking of take the whole thing, this whole second line there out completely?
Not the whole line, just the 4 employees, post job, search resumes, partner with us.
We could probably drop sitemap as well because we don't have a sitemap yet, so
Yeah.
we can get rid of that.
Okay.
I
And
guess-
contact, I suppose I'll keep that because I think Arun's working a pull request for that, isn't he?
Yeah, but the problem is that we have contact as a main menu option.
Yeah.
And we'll always have that. It'll actually say contact us or something, but so, and we also have an about main menu option as well.
Hmm.
So
So
I'm,
actually, we can drop the whole footer menu actually, pretty much.
I'm thinking we don't need any of it. You're right. We can keep the Met Plus 2017 all rights reserved business.
Yep.
You could center that up, in fact.
Yeah.
But the rest of it is not. That's if we have significant functionality accessible through a tiny little footer menu. That doesn't make any sense. We have those accessible through much more reasonable means, like the main menu.
Yeah. Okay, let me do that. I'll just take them all out and I'll keep
Laura won't care about that in terms of
Yeah.
her design. That's not a critical aspect of her design, right? So
Yeah. No, that's
Yeah.
fine. That makes sense. Makes perfect
Yeah.
sense. Take them both out.
okay.
Yeah, okay, I'll do that. So I'll keep Met Plus 2017 and all rights reserved and just get rid of the rest.
Yeah, good.
Perfect.
So any other comments I have here they're all okay? All make sense?
Yeah, the one okay pretty much. The rest of them make sense. This
The
is
one
how
about
I'm unsure about.
that one there, we go up the one where
This one?
let's see, right, that one right there, yeah. So I think so when I click on jobs link,
Mhm.
so what happens, the scroll bar gets created, as
Mhm.
you can see, and then all of a sudden Bootstrap thinks it's on a smaller, a less wide view, so it pulls everything in on the menu, even though the width of the browser I'm using is not changed. I'm talking about 1B there.
Yeah, I know.
So
I'm thinking I might just take out there might be a container view in this. If I take the container out, it'll set automatically anyway.
okay. Or like I said, if that actually is a Bootstrap thing that we have to live with, then it's probably okay. It's a
Yeah.
little disconcerting, and you really have to have the browser width set at a particular width for
Yeah.
it to happen.
I don't
But
think-
I just found it to be really strange when I clicked that and it brought the
yeah, it
menu
just
in.
shrunk all of a sudden.
All of a sudden, yeah. And what the
Yeah.
hell happened there? So,
No, that's fine. I don't play around with it.
okay.
Actually,
Cool.
my CSS is quite strong, but as you do more stuff, you learn more CSS at the same time as well. So it's quite interesting.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
Definitely.
Yeah, your CSS is definitely way beyond mine. That's for sure.
Yeah.
I would struggle with this stuff.
Yeah.
It's much more efficient for you to do it.
Yeah, I think that's it actually. I think the rest of it is quite good.
Okay, great.
Let me
Good
get
point.
the About Us branch sorted. Then I'll probably do PR tonight and we can get that merged in, hopefully.
Sounds great.
Excellent. All right. Thank you very much.
All right, Hinesh, good talking to you. Have a good evening.
You too, mate. Cheers. Bye.
Yep, take care. Bye now.